Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be giving you guys my weekly outlook for next week and also some ideas on also how I trade. In fact, my weekly outlook just came for my weekly outlook. So I'm on British pound, that means GBP USD. So I put on this FG, you can see we trend to the upside, you know, FOMC and Federal Fed cut rate and some other stuff. So GBP USD have been very, like, the US dollar have been very weak, and the pounds have been strong also. US dollar have been weak and the pounds have been strong. So we went high as 1.37264. Then you can see this, we had this reversal on Wednesday. That's a midweek reversal. So Wednesday took out Tuesday highs and we started dropping down lower. See where we closed on Friday. So I was pointing out, if you look at my weekly outlook, you can see watch price at this IMB, that's watch price at this imbalance. We just took our weekly lows, we took our previous weekly lows, and we run inside this daily FEG. So we're watching price at this level. So I'm expecting upper movement, but see what I have for next week. So as price I've taken out previous day lows. So this is our previous day lows. This is our previous day low, and this will be our previous day highs. This will be our previous day highs, right? Okay. Now that being our previous day and previous day lows, we had this whole low at this point. Let me put this at 60. So we had this old low. That's previous week lows. Okay. I don't think that previous week lows. We had this old low, that means sell liquidity. So we took out this sell liquidity at this point. So we run out this sell side. Yeah, we run out sell side. X and so we took out this sell liquidity and we have this whole range from this buy sell liquidity down to this sell liquidity. This is our old high. So you can see we ran into the daily FEG and I'm expecting price to actually pull back to any of this imbalance here. We have an imbalance here. We have an imbalance, a bearish imbalance at this point. We have a bearish sell side imbalance. Okay, we have this imbalance. So this is actually Saturday. I'm recording this video Saturday. I'm in a few minutes to be entering Sunday. I need to do this fast so I can also be in church tomorrow. So as well as we took CSL liquidity, we also took our previous week lows. So our previous week low is on Friday and our previous week high is on Wednesday. So okay, mine is our previous week high. This is on GBP USD. I have that on GBP USD previous week high. So I'm bearish for next week. We took our previous week lows as well as this CSL liquidity. So we took our previous week lows also. So I need to delete that. I'm not quite check that messy. We've run into this daily FEG, so I'm expecting price to push a little up to the upside. Go up to this imbalance, then we look for short movement because we just took sell liquidity, so I'm looking for short for this old lows to be run out. Like we have an effect inside this FEG. If we don't have an effect inside the FEG, then we're looking for this sell liquidity to be taken. That's around 1.33 1.33329. 1.33329. So I'm expecting this sell side liquidity. You can see expecting this sell side liquidity. And sell side liquidity is acting as okay, that's the low we made on September, the open of September. That's the low we made on September. You can see Monday made a high, Tuesday. This is the low of September. This is the low of September that we are going to look for. So I'm looking for the low of September. Usually have an effect at this point. Sell side liquidity can usually bounce from here to buy side, but I think we have this sell side, we have this imbalance. So the price will react at this point or continue exploding, expanding down, continue the downside to this sell side liquidity as I marked. And also we have EU. So if I weekly, I'll do a weekly from EU. I have EU and USD Swiss francs. I'll do on this three. This thing. I don't know how long this video will be, but let's go. So this is right here on EU. I'm also bearish on EU, but in my chart. Okay. So I think we invest. So on EU we have been bullish for a while now. We have been bullish for a while. Right now, I think I'll still be bullish on EU. Yeah. Well, let me just show you what I'm looking for next week. So from last week we are making an upper movement. We took our buy side liquidity and we had this rejection. We had this weak rejection to this size trading, and now we are looking for this sell side liquidity at this point. Already. So I'm looking for from this high now up to this, from this lower to this high. There's no imbalance. We have an imbalance at this point, so we might react at this imbalance at this point. We have a buy side, a bullish imbalance at this point. I applied my referring tool. I want to give upper movement. I also took out this is our next previous day low. This is our previous day highs. Previous day low, bruh. So we have our previous day low there. Our previous day highs. See, we have this protected highs also. This is our buy side liquidity. So expecting price also to react here. So I'm bullish. So we have this imbalance here. We actually get to this. We have already get to this imbalance. So by next week, we might push higher or we'll just continue going down lower, depending on what the lower time frame is giving me, and also DSY. If DSY is actually bearish, I still need to look for bullish movements for this space. So imbalance. This is our area and area. I have CB there. Okay. We have buy side liquidity. We have the same side liquidity as previous week lows. So I'm expecting price. Okay, I didn't go down lower on GU. Sorry, I'll go down low on GU. So let me see what the H4 is giving me. If we are having a bullish momentum or not. Okay, E is definitely bullish. E is actually still bullish. E is actually still bullish. So I'm not going to look for any sales. I'm going to look for reversal. I just need to look for bullish reversals on GU. Yeah. I just need to look for a bullish reversal. If we have this low, we need a market structure shift at these lows. But I'm looking for buys on EU. I'm looking for more buys on EU. We have this lower social liquidity. This point. So our sell side. So I'm still bullish on EU. I know I'll be bearish on GU. Hopefully. hopefully. Yeah, I'm bearish on EU, on GU. I'm bearish on GU and I'm bullish on EU. If that makes sense. But there's only one thing that will confirm me on my bias. That's the US dollar. So I use the US dollar to know if I should be bullish or I should be bearish for the majors. So we've shifted structure at this point already. Now we have market structure break, the downside. We have protected lows. We just came out. We have this high. We have this high there. Okay. We have the highs there. We have price sweeping liquidity there. Of that highs. Then we've been trending down to the low. We're trending down. Let's stretch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have a break here also. We have a break right there. We have a break right there. So this is our buy side liquidity on GU. Remember GU took sell side liquidity, right? So that's my buy. This is my buy side liquidity on GU. Okay. So as I say, you have buy side there. We just break market structure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. That confirming for a market for a breaking market structure. Remember we took sell side liquidity on GU. So heading back to EU back. You're still bullish. You're still bullish on GU. On EU, sorry. The reason why I say I'm still bullish on EU because we have not taken out these old lows. I started since the week of market structure at this point, we have not taken out the lows, so I'm expecting this low to be run out. So now to US dollar, let's go to US dollar. That will confirm me. I'll know I'll know the pair I'll be trading from next week. Okay. You see, I'll be trading EU for next week. I'll trade EU for trend following, but on GU I'll look for reversals. For buys, reversals for buys on GU. For EU is still bullish, and that's why it's still bearish. Now I was saying, okay, I'm looking for a pattern. You have to correlate with me. So right here on DSY, when you hit this already, delete that. You hit it already, delete that. So right here on DSY, yes, right here on DSY, you have this FG. I think you're inversing it. Oh my god. Okay, bye. Oh, there's what do we have? We just took sell side liquidity. So every high, any high on the lower time frame is like a structure shift for us. So where will be our buy side? This is our buy side liquidity. But for us to calculate this range, we have this FG at this point. The price market though I want to reverse also. We have previous week high there, previous week low. We have a recent new previous day highs here. Previous day highs is there. There are no previous day low at that point. We have previous day low at that point. Then we have our new sell side liquidity. As this region. still bearish on GSY. I'm still bearish on GSY. I have a reason why I'm still bearish. I need the higher time frame to tell me that. I need the higher time frame to say to me that I'm bullish until I start doing bullish stops. I'll start taking buy trades. Okay, on H4. I need this side to be taken out first. I need this side to be taken out, to run out first before not be bullish. But for now, I'm still bearish on the SY. So, taking out this side. Taking out this side, okay. I will do the bottom. Anything else? Buy sell liquidity at that point. So I'm looking for this highs. The social shift file can be bullish. So quick one, ADSD as bonus. ADSD doing the same thing with GU. I won't blame the player sharp. I will not blame the player. You can see we have previous low and no previous low here. We ran out previous close, right? This Thursday, Wednesday, Friday. We ran out previous close. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We ran out previous close. Yeah. No. Monday, Tuesday. Okay. You have not taken out previous close. You haven't taken out previous close. You have a previous day highs there, and hopefully this FG. We have this FG here. We have this FG here, and we have this highs, this old highs here. That's our buy side liquidity. Because we just took out, we just break market structure. After taking out the buy side liquidity, we just market structure. So this is our buy side liquidity. That's our buy side liquidity there. That's our buy side liquidity. So ADSD reversal model, G reversal, EU. I have to do the same. I have to do what this way. I have to obey what this way is showing me. So I'm looking for buy trades for EU and then buy trade on G and EU. If I get the reversal pattern, if I have a reversal pattern, I will not be taking any trades. I want to go against I want to go against what the US dollar is giving to me. So I just have to correspond with what US dollar is giving to me. So we have previous close there that I'll actually get to. So I think that's it for the video. So hopefully guys, as I told you guys, I've been on drawdown on my account. So I'll be trading less from next week and from next month also. So we're entering the new month. So next week we frame all our plans, trade our plans. As I said, we trade all our plans, all my plans for next week. Not going against the US dollar, yes. Not going against the US dollar. If the US dollar is telling me I'm bearish, I have to look for buy trades on other pairs, on other major pairs. If you tell me we are sell, I have to go for buys. So I don't have to do any other things. So for you guys out there, risk properly, trade less. Even though you did trader, doesn't mean you trade mostly every time. That's the only thing that has been a setback for me in my trading. When you try to trade every day, trade every week, it's not really every day you have to trade. But I will not blame myself though. I'm refining my edge. I'm trying to build a good edge for myself that I'll be able to use to make money. But money is a byproduct. I need to focus on my skills, like build my skills and all the rest. So peace out guys, stay safe, risk properly, pray to God about your trading career, and everything will align as you want. So good night guys, this is 12 o'clock and tomorrow is Sunday. See you guys.